Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Shiftmed Nursing Jobs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Shiftmed is a nursing job app designed to connect CNAs, GNAs, LPNs, and RNs with flexible, same-day, and local shift opportunities. The platform partners with hospitals, nursing homes, and healthcare facilities to offer open shifts that nurses can book instantly without dealing with traditional staffing agency delays. It's available on both iOS and Android and allows workers to choose when, where, and how often they want to work. The app's main feature is its shift booking system. Nurses can browse open shifts, view pay rates up front, and secure work directly through the app. It also offers instant pay options, credential management, and the ability to track attendance, timesheets, and shift history, all in one place for convenience. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its fast scheduling, same-day pay availability, and transparent hourly rates. The app gives flexibility to workers who want control over their schedules and prefer choosing shifts that suit their availability. The onboarding process is also reported as smooth, with helpful support for uploading credentials and completing requirements. However, there are some drawbacks. Shift availability may vary depending on your location, and some users report last-minute shift cancellations. A few also mention inconsistent facility communication or unexpected changes in posted rates. Additionally, pay processing may take longer in certain cases despite the instant pay feature. In summary, the Shiftmed app may be worth using if you want flexible scheduling, upfront pay information, and the freedom to pick up shifts instantly. However, if you prefer guaranteed weekly hours or live in an area with fewer partnered facilities, the app might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.